My love of wellness came to the forefront when I first moved to San Francisco. I noticed that I felt better and healthier and more energetic. That's something that I wanted to share with other people. And so I started Ayla. My intention in creating Ayla was really always to focus on carrying the best healthy beauty products from around the world, whether it's working with a seaweed forager who devotedly selects the very best seaweed, or a family from Sweden that grows sea buckthorn berries on their farm. These are some of the most wonderful people I've ever met from around the world who deeply believe in what they do. When the pandemic first hit, we just focused on figuring out how do we make it through this. Google Ads has been a key piece of our marketing approach. It very naturally addresses customer needs and helps them find you when they are really looking for what you offer.
We've seen increases in searches for gua sha, hand cream, self-care. We've been able to try and fulfill that need for people. It's all about shifting to 100% online.
During a time like this, people are looking for wellness, and the success that we have in selling the products from our partners impacts their success.
Small businesses are connected not only locally, but globally. Without Ayla, we definitely would have been struggling a lot harder. This is what makes small businesses so special.
This is a time when more than ever we recognize how interconnected we all are and how our little actions can have a major impact on the lives of others.